Namaskar, you are watching DNN Voice of Nation. Welcome to Tech News. ChatGPT has the answer to every question. There is a worldwide boom. But the company is still in huge loss. Know why Chatbot ChatGPT equipped with artificial intelligence technology is making a splash worldwide. It is emerging as a new revolution in the world of science. It is being told that ChatGPT has the answer to every question. But unfortunately, see that the company that Microsoft's OpenAI has prepared, it is running into huge losses. ChatGPT developers' losses reportedly swelled to around 540 million over 44 billion rupees last year, and are likely to keep rising further. According to media reports, OpenAI's losses doubled. It was told in the report that before the Axis sale of the chatbot, a huge cost was incurred for training on the machine learning model. OpenAI launched a new subscription plan, ChatGPT Plus, in February this year, which is available at 20 per month, 1,650 rupees. However, the report pointed out that even if the company's revenue increases, OpenAI's losses are likely to continue increasing as more and more customers are using this artificial intelligence technology. So the company will have to bring new software additions in the future. Elon Musk, CEO of Twitter and an early investor in OpenAI, has criticized OpenAI several times. ChatGPT and GPT-4 have become popular around the world in the last few months.